Hello, are you interested in creating a CVVC voice bank for NIAONIao? You've come to the right place. In this video, I'll explain everything about this format in NIAONIao. First of all, I want to apologize for the quality of the background videos and clarify that I won't be explaining how to install and download the program here. Please check the UTAU Lost Media blog for that data. Now we can begin. Unlike UTAU, NIAONIao doesn't have the option to duplicate audio in the OTO, nor to add aliases, so we have to do it manually. To do this, we have to record a normal CV rec list and then add the audio files so that the CVVC works in NIAONIao. And these are the VCs, written in this way, AB. So we would have our CVs, ba, b, bi, bo, and then the VCs, AB, EB, IB, OB, UB, NB. You can find my NIAONIao rec lists by clicking on my channel and on the drive link that says rec list, where you'll also find my other lists for the program. You're going to record the CVs like any other CV, and then in the VCs, you can either do two CVs, record VCV, or VC, whichever is more comfortable for you since we'll only be using the vowel and the consonant in the audio. Remember that you can do multi-pitch by adding the pitch to the end of the audio file name. The pitch must be reversed and in lowercase, A4A, for the program to recognize it. Also remember that if you have a CVVC recorded in a rin-10 style for UTAU, you can use those audios by cutting the CVs and VCs. You can do this cutting in Audacity or with the tool included in the NIAONIao Voice Maker. First of all, I don't recommend using NIAONIao's Auto tool because it gives bad results. And second, I want to explain that NIAONIao is designed for Chinese language, and Chinese language have CVCs. That's why the program has a space to put two consonants instead of just one, like UTAU. Now that this is clear, you're going to put the start line at the beginning of your audio, but don't leave it at 0 because the program will give an error, and then the first consonant up to where the consonant ends, and the second consonant, you can put it at the very end next to the closing line. That's for CVs. And for the VCs, we're going to do the same, but in reverse. We're going to put the second consonant where the VC consonant starts, and the first line of consonant near the line where the audio starts. Using CVVC in NIAONIao is extremely simple. You enter the notes as you normally would, in CV format, and the program will automatically detect your CVVC recordings and integrate them. You'll also notice that if you go to the Voices section and click on your voice bank information, you'll see that the VCs aren't included in the total number of audio files shown by NIAONIao. If this is the case, it means you did all right. If it shows CVVC or multi-pitch audio, you did it wrong. You can go to the NIAONIao archive Discord server to find the decompiled NIAONIao so you can see its O2 and how it works, and I'll also see if I can upload it in the drive. Have fun making a voice bank for NIAO, and I'll be bringing a series of videos to explain everything about this wonderful program. Remember, if you make a voice bank, let a member of NIAONIao archive know. This way, they can archive your voice bank and use it.